Jai Hind everybody. Just imagine you are right on your table and you are currently writing your NDA exam, and the first paper which you got is of GAT, and you have just opened the paper with the hope that you will be scoring more than 400 plus marks in this exam. So you just opened the English part first and you saw what? There are 50 questions of English which carries 200 marks plus, and you are in a hope that you will be getting 200 out of 200. But after going through simple questions, you thought that 200 would be not possible, and you make your score reach a little bit about 170, and after that 150, and after that 100. So yeah, this is the problem which most of the NDA aspirants are facing currently. Means they are just struggling with the homonyms, paronyms, antonyms, synonyms, the word meanings, pronoun, noun, tense, the and the other parts of the grammar. So yeah, this was the problem which I was facing also before I had learned this simple trick. Yeah, the trick is very simple. You have to just practice questions and before the exam papers and the PYQs. It appears simple, and yes, it is. But there is a problem that most of the aspirants take it lightly, and they think that NDA would be very simple if they'll be not getting 200 out of 200 also. So yeah, it all depends on the other languages, but I am pretty sure that if you are going to score 200 marks in English, it will boost your overall score, because 200 is a big term. And in this today's video, I am breaking how I study my English language for my at least 190 marks. I am here with all of my material which I prefer to study for English. And yes, first is the most important part, which is of vocabulary. And yes, this vocabulary will be helping you in other exams also, even if you are not good in NDA. So yeah, for vocabulary I prefer my compendium of synonym and antonym. Actually I had bought it in शौक मतलब कि बस ऐसी खरीदी थी, and after that I had devoted it some time and learned after some time that it is a very useful book. Means you guys just see, this book contains all the alphabets from A to Z, and each alphabet has some words, and each word has its meaning, and after that meaning it does not end. It has also the synonyms, which the words which are attached to it, and the antonyms which are away from it. So yeah, learning a lot of words from a single word is very easy from this book, and I also suggest you to buy a book like this, or just take printouts from the Google. You will be getting free PDFs of it on any website. Just you have to research a little. And yes, I want to tell you guys something, that after going through the book, means I have just completed till J. So where is the J? So just left it, so just leave it. I have completed till J, and I have gone through it at least 6 times. So yeah, I am feeling very much confident about this book. Means if any word comes from this book, at least I'll be not leaving it. So yeah, that's the confidence. And you all guys know how much vocabulary is important. So yeah, just not leave the vocabulary, just go through your notes or whatever material you have buyed till now. And after that comes the important part, like that of the grammar. Means the PQRS and the other grammar things, like the pronoun, noun, adverb, verb, adjective, and the rest. So yeah, for that I have a very big asla. सो ये वही है असला जो सुलझा देगा सारा मसला. सो ये है कि देखो, वो बुक विच आई हैड गोट फ्रॉम माई अकेडमी, मीन्स व्हेन आई हैड जॉइंड इट, एंड दिस इज़ द इंग्लिश बुक, एंड देर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम इन इट. मीन्स दो नॉट प्रॉब्लम, बट देर इज़ अ लिटिल problem in it. Means there are only rules written all around the book. Means whether it be any chapter, there are only rules, and for the rest of the theory you have to take the printouts of the PDFs which the academy sends. So So yeah, that's not a big deal, but if everything was written here, then it could be a little more simple to study it. And yes, all of you know that we have to just study the things which comes in our exam. So yeah, these are the conjunctions, and for the conjunction you are having several rules, and these are the only rules which will be making questions in your exam. So yeah, this book benefits me a lot, and I am suggesting you to buy any of the books which is available in the market, but just get a review about that if it supports all the questions which appear in your NDA exam or may appear in your NDA exam. Just not study the all of the things, means you understood what I am telling. And further that देर इज मुश्किल वक्त कमांडो सख्त, मतलब कि मुश्किल वक्त आने वाला है, पेपर का कमांडो सख्त बन जाओ. And not only that is enough for scoring good in the English language, there is always one thing which is left behind, and that is the part of the PYQs, means the teachers, all of them there are just saying one thing to get through the PYQs, because it gives us an idea of how will the paper appear, and there is a chance that the previous year questions will appear again in this exam of 2026. And this is obvious that the UPSC repeats its questions, whether it be of CDS or of the NDA. The questions just flip and get repeated. So yeah, just don't forget to get through the PYQs. And for myself, I had bought some sold papers for, and yes, I am following this book since many days, and this book contains all of the PYQs of the English, and there are different parts in this book. Just see the English part, means or spotting errors, improvement sentences, sentence completion, reconstruction of sentences, rearranging sentences, synonym, antonym, item phrases, closed state comprehension. These are the things which the book has offered us. So yeah, I'll be taking some printouts from my printer of some papers and some PYQs which I'll be getting on the YouTube for free. And yes, don't forget to get the free material and use it, because sometimes it benefits us as it has benefited in the 10th and the 12th. So yeah, the same happens for the competitive exam also. So this was my study material which I prefer to study English language in my NDA exam. And yep, I score good in the English part, and also now I am preparing to good score at least 200, at least 190 out of 200. So yeah, I am making a big score. So let's see, will I be getting this much marks in the GAT exam or not. And yes, please don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want some of my vlogs next time also. So yep, if you enjoyed, do subscribe. Bye bye.